Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the city of Scheveningen, located on the shore of the North Sea, the Noordzee. This is the way us Dutchies say Scheveningen. Scheveningen. It has that beautiful Dutch ch in it. Keep rehearsing, you will get it. There's also a light emphasis on the first part. Scheveningen. 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 As you can hear, often the last N will not be pronounced. That's why we say Scheveningen. I am going to spend a day at the beach near Scheveningen. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!